That is a little woodland where I'm camping out, just in there, and that is Minehead. Just about to see it. Now you can get an idea of the elevation. There's a lot of fucking misty clouds over there. I'm actually higher than them. It's like you get little clouds coming out of the woodland. That's why the evergreen nasty crap over there. Not want to be over there. There's a beachless bit, just about there. Most of it's evergreen, it's horrible. This is beautiful. I think I'm actually camping in a oak woodland. It all seems to be oak. That's so rare, really nice. Because before, when I was down over there, that's supposed to be chestnut. Because the other two times was just down over that side. This is North Hill, Minehead. I'm not going any further up. My tendons are really screaming in pain. I'm used to sitting around doing nothing for the past 4 months. And I've now been out, it's my third time actually getting out for a walk once a week. And I spent the rest of the week recovering. But it's something at least. It's not exactly a simple, gentle stroll when I'm not far off sea level, and that's sea level down there. So, yeah. This, I think, is where they had, I think last week or during the week, they have runs through the woods, which basically destroys the place. So, I'm hoping that it's finished and not going to happen again. It's fucking windy up here. Because my dad got sent back from the sweat earlier. It's still muggy, but at least there's a nice breeze, although it's not good for my back. So I would love to pitch the hammock up here for lots and lots of wind and lots of views, and except there's no trees, and I saw one tick earlier down where I'm camping, but up here it's going to be a floor of ticks because they really do love the grass for the sheep. So and a hammock in this weather, it's going to get horrendously windier later. So no. Right, I pressed record and for some reason it didn't record. What kind of fun. Right, I thought that was just mist coming up from the woodland. It's not, it's rain clouds. I'm actually above the rain clouds at the moment, but that's Minehead down there. And it's weird, I mentioned Wi-Fi towers earlier and brain control, and all of a sudden my phone stopped recording. Interesting that, because there's 5G5 towers down in the valley. There's, I think, 30 G4 ones and at least a couple of hundred G3 ones, and they cut down all the trees down there to block the signal. It's patented technology for mind control. Yeah, that's rain clouds coming across horizontally. Oh shit, it's not supposed to rain tonight. It's not rain, it's just standing in mist. So yeah, I think I may be getting a bit moist tonight and not enough rain on it. So yeah, this is North Hill and that is Minehead, and this is Minehead. Back down to me thing. And hopefully the hammock hasn't been burnt down because I left the fire unattended. Oh no! But literally just down here. Oh god, it's nice not wearing a strap or a brace on my leg sometimes, but I'm very, very aware of how fragile my knee is because of the metalwork. Well, hammock's still there. Go through a wall of bugs. Oh, I think the fire's gone out. Well, it's not that long. And of course, the electric fence. Little stick, little foot, steppy steppy, and no harm done. Home sweet home. I think the fire's burnt out actually, not died. Ooh, food.